Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to select the methods for friending you in WeChat.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To begin, open WeChat from your apps drawer. Go to your profile by tapping on Me from the bottom right corner. From your profile, go to Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. From Privacy, find the option Methods for Friending Me. Tap on it. By default, all are enabled. Now disable the option, which one you don't want. From now on, other people will find you only the enabled way. So in this way, you can select the methods for friending you in WeChat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.